Winters make us shiver. But why do we shiver even when we get a fever and our body's temperature is more than normal at that time? Our brain consists of the hypothalamus. It is a part of the brain that maintains the temperature of our body. When a pathogen or disease-causing organism enters your body, these pathogens release proteins called exogenous pyrogens. Our immune system gets activated as the pathogens enter the body and sends WBCs to fight the infection. These WBCs further release cytokines or endogenous pyrogens. After that, the pyrogens release prostaglandin E2, which sends the signals to the hypothalamus to increase the temperature of the body. This is being done because pathogens cannot survive in a high temperature. In order to increase the temperature, the hypothalamus increases the set point of your body, which ideally remains 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, because of which you feel cold even at a normal temperature. Mainly two things take place in your body to prevent you from feeling cold. First is vasoconstriction, which is the contraction of the blood vessels that prevent heat loss. Second is the involuntary to and fro movement of muscles, which makes you shiver and generate heat.